this dynamic personality. And let's invite on stage the promoter and director at Duromax Building System, who have been president for 2 consecutive years at Confederation of Construction Product and Services in Delhi. He is also the honorary member at CII Delhi State Council. Also, he was honored the Bharat Samman Award in 2018 at the House of Lords, London. Can we please have a big round of applause? And let's invite on stage the one and only Mr. Ashim Chugh, ladies and gentlemen. So, नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ में सर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है, इस्तकबाल है. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, presenting Mr. Ashim Chugh sir. So Ashim sir will join us on stage, and I would request sir to please give a small introduction.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Adab, namaskar, and a heartfelt welcome to each one of you to this soulful and special evening, our Sufi night in the heart of Lucknow. My name is Ashim Chugh from Duromax Building Systems, and I'm honored to be here with all of you. As a passionate entrepreneur and part of a team that believes in building more than just structures, we build experiences. Together with my partners, Dheeraj and Piyush, if you can show yourself. There they are. Round of applause for these guys. They're my partners in crime. We have been truly doing some exciting and high quality work across North India, fabricating and installing premium doors, windows, railings, partitions, retractable roofing systems. This is something which is very new for the Indian market, and more. And today I'm proud to share that we are strongly invested and fully equipped to serve the entire Uttar Pradesh market with scale, speed and commitment. This event marks a significant milestone in that journey. We're also blessed to be supported by our brand partners, Schuko. They are the world's favorite system company based out of Germany, and they specialize in doors, windows and facade. We also have with us our brand partner Estonia, who specialize in internal partitions and shower partitions. We also have our team from Technorail, who specialize in railings, and we also have our team from Libart, who specialize in vertical automated windows and retractable roofing systems. These brands bring unmatched technology, quality and innovation to our offerings. To all the brand teams here tonight, thank you for your trust and belief in us. And finally, to the stars of this evening, our architect and design community, you guys inspire us every day. Your vision breathes life into our products. Your trust drives our growth. Tonight is our way to say thank you for your support, for your creativity, and for believing in us. So let's take a pause from our busy schedules. Let's soak in the melodies, the mysticism, and the magic of Sufi music, and celebrate this partnership of design and soul. And before we begin, a few lines from the heart to mark our presence in this beautiful city. हम फिजाओं में नई रोशनी लेकर आए हैं, हम फिजाओं में नई रोशनी लेकर आए हैं, दरों खिड़कियों से उम्मीदों की हवा चलाए हैं. हम फिजाओं में नई रोशनी लेकर आए हैं, दरों खिड़कियों से उम्मीदों की हवा चलाए हैं. नाज है हमें इस हुनर पर जो हर दिल को छू जाए, बाजार में नहीं हम अब दिलों में उतर आए हैं. Because at the end of the day, as what I say, we don't just make windows, we create masterpieces. हम हैं भारत के नंबर 1 दरवाजे और खिड़की विशेषज्ञ. Thank you and welcome once again to a night to remember. We have the unveiling video, please.
So after this, now it's time, I guess we are all set to launch this amazing products in front of you. So I would request Mr. Ashim Chuk to please join, to be followed by Mr. Dheeraj and Mr. Piyush. And I would like to invite over here, we have Prasanjit Sanyal, sir, Chairman, IIID, Sandeep Saraswat, Chairman, IIA, Prashant Pal, President, LAA, to please join us over here. Mr. Ajay Bail.
Can I request everyone from Shuko, Astronia, Libart and Technorail to please join us?
Please everybody. And we will do the countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uske baad hum karenge unveil. And I want all the respected guests present over here to please join us with them. Are we all ready? Thoda sa excitement dikhaiye. Come on, let's begin the party. So are we all ready?
Yes.
Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's एक बार तालियां थोड़ी जोरदार शानदार जबरदस्त. Let's bring it on, ladies and gentlemen. And after this grand launch, I will request Mr. Ashim to please give a small brief about each product. Present over there.
So gentlemen and everyone over here, we have a range of host of products which we have displayed over here, and this is something which are bringing very new to the Lucknow and the UP market. We have been using this in our projects across North India, but yes, for the UP market, this is something which we're bringing in across here. So over here we have our system, which is an invisible threshold system. This is something which has come very latest. We can go up to heights of 14 feet for a slider, and we can go up to classes up to 50 mm. I'll not take too much of time. We've got the sliding system over here, which can take up to 12 feet of height, up to 32 mm of weight. We have our door system, which is one of the best and sturdiest door system that you'll ever see across the world, coming from Schuko, Germany. This is displayed in our experience center, so please do come and visit us. This is the facade section, so this is something which is missing big time in this market, and we have this product now launched over here, and we have the entire expertise to ensure that we do the commercial buildings really well. We have a wooden finish lift and slide solution. Normal sliders, air tightness and water tightnesses are 300 pascals. The lift and slide solution can go up to 600 pascals of air tightness and water tightness. So जिन घरों के ऊपर फ्लाइट पाथ है, एयरपोर्ट के पास है, और शोर आ रहा है घर के अंदर and you're not able to sleep, so we have those systems. If those are installed, you will have a peaceful sleep at night. So we have those sound and air insulation systems available over here. Apart from that, we have railings. We have continuous channel railings for balconies. We've got railings for staircases. These are coming in from Technorail, who are our brand partners. And we have a system of Libart. This is again a very technical system, but it is available at our experience center. So this is a vertically automated window. आप remote से window को नीचे कर सकते हैं. That can also become a door as well. So if you are more curious and want to understand more about the products, please do visit us at our experience center, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. So this is a project we have executed. Project which has recently got inaugurated at Vrindavan. This is the Char Dham project. The entire facade has been done by us, which includes all these Schuko windows, which are double insulated windows being installed over here. These are the guest houses. There are 121 guest houses equipped with our doors and windows. We have a cafeteria, we've got yoga rooms, so there's so much in this complex that we have done with respect to doors and windows. And this project has got 5 Guinness Book of World Records. and windows and facade is what we've done in this beautiful city of Vrindavan. And last, can we have the last AV please? So thank you so very much, and over to you, Kiran.
So, if we are talking about the YouTube, so let me tell you one hidden thing about Mr. Ashwin, that he's a very good podcaster. So you should definitely go and visit his YouTube channel to watch some interesting and informative podcast. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.